Imagine this. You've got hundreds of browser tabs, scattered bookmarks, and zero confidence that your favorite articles won't vanish behind a paywall. Cloud bookmarking tools promise organization, but at the cost of privacy, lock-in, and clutter. That's why linkding exists. Built by someone who wanted a dead simple, self-hosted alternative, it strips away everything non-essential. No ads, no tracking, no bloat, just your links, neatly stored on your own server. Think of it as the anti-raindrop. Minimal by design, fast by default, and yours to control. Logged in with the default admin account to access the self-hosted Bookmark Manager. Open linkding for the first time and you're greeted with calm. A dark theme dominates, but it's not harsh. Soft grays, generous spacing, and large, readable text make scanning effortless. On the left, a slim sidebar holds your tag list and quick filters like unread or shared. The main area displays bookmarks as clean cards. Each shows the site's favicon, an auto-fetch title, a short description, and your tags. Hover over any entry and subtle edit icons appear. No modal dialogues, no jarring transitions. Even the mobile view feels intentional, not an afterthought. This isn't just functional, it's deliberately serene, designed so your links, not the app, take center stage. We start by adding a new bookmark through the Add Bookmark option. Then we navigate to the Bookmark section to view saved links. Next, we access Settings to adjust preferences or configuration. Finally, we return to the main linkding area, which serves as the home or dashboard of the application. A new bookmark is added by filling out the required fields in the bookmark creation form. LinkedIn's strength, minimalism, is also its limitation. If you need AI tagging, full text search across PDFs, or deep integrations with Notion or Obsidian, you'll hit walls. It's less feature-rich than mature alternatives like Charlie or paid tools like Raindrop.io. And while Docker makes setup easy, you're still responsible for uptime, backups, and updates. There's no built-in email notifications or mobile sync beyond the PWA. Plus, the project, while active, is largely maintained by one person, so major new features arrive slowly. If you crave polish and hand-holding, this might feel too bare bones. But if you value control and speed over bells and whistles, these trade-offs are worth it. LinkedIn is for the self-reliant, developers, privacy advocates, and minimalists who'd rather own their data than rent it from big tech. It won't wow you with flashy features, but it will quietly, reliably keep your digital life in order. If that sounds like peace of mind, give it a try. Thanks for watching. This is Unbound Topic.